On the European continent, there's two parties fighting basically. And China is the only country far away, not involved in any side, not on. So, and also a permanent member country of UN Security Council. So just like, I mean, I just give maybe a metaphor. If just like two guys fighting in the street, if there's an accident, two guys fighting in the street, and then, if there's no intermediary, if there's no mediation, these two guys could fight to death possibly. But if there's somebody rational guy comes along and say, look, please don't fight. What's the problem? How things going, and stop them. Maybe they will say, oh, they calm down. They really found a way to get out of that fight. So what I'm saying is that I'm just watching CNN and saying, okay, the President Putin and the President Zelensky, they're calling each other names, and I can't imagine how both of them, after all those ugly fight, they can sit down and talk and find a way out of this. So I would imagine if we have P5 countries like United Nations, we have US, we have France, we have British, China, Russian, and then we have EU, have Ukraine. Why not we all sit down and then find a peaceful solution and also balanced security arrangement for Europe as well. China could be a guarantor for those crises, for this conflict. And so if the two sides, basically there's two sides, if even among this P7, this seven-party talk, there's basically two sides, Russian and NATO and US and UK, France, and EU and Ukraine. China is the only third party. So I think this third party is very, very important. If this third party is there, then both sides will say, okay, I mean, when two guys fighting, sometimes they can't decide, or they really need to make a compromise. There's a witness. There's somebody credible there on the table. They can really, broke the deal. So I really think that United Nations, that's what the United Nations is for. We built United Nations after Second World War. This United Nations system has prevented us into a Third World War for the last 77 years. I mean, we still need United Nations, and everybody said United Nations principle should be upheld. So I think let's do this UN seven-party talks approach. Probably that's my recommendation. That's my suggestion.